Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If your hair is dry, brittle, frizzy, color-treated, or prone to split ends, a hot oil treatment may be beneficial. By sealing the hair cuticle, the oil may help protect your hair from damage. The oil can also moisturize your hair. Hot oil treatments tend to work best for natural hair.
Let's help you make your mark.
Here's a list of oils suggested by our experts. Coconut oil. Virgin coconut oil is the most commonly used hair oil, especially in South Asia. Sesame oil. Ideal for Vata-type hair, sesame oil reduces frizziness and may also prevent split ends. Almond oil. Argan oil. Moringa oil. Bringraj or amla oil.
Let's help you make your mark.
The answer is yes. Vegetable oils are good not only for cooking but also for keeping your hair healthy. They condition the hair, help it retain moisture, minimize dryness, and protect it from damage and breakage. Vegetable oils are high on essential fats and are especially beneficial for damaged and porous hair.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.